Good day, everyone. Today, we will discuss two major environmental problems that affect our planet: climate change and biodiversity loss. Climate change refers to the long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns, mainly caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC 2023, human activities have significantly increased greenhouse gas emission, which trap heat in the atmosphere and lead to the global warming.
Now, what is diversity? Diversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including plants, animals, and microorganisms, as well as the ecosystem where they lives. In the place, the crucial maintaining ecological balance and supporting life. The United Nations or Environment Program explain that diversity is provide essential services such as food production and cleaning water, medicines, and climate regulations. However, diversity is currently declining and alarming rate.
The causes of climate change. One of the main causes of climate change is the increase in greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. These gases are produced by activities such as burning coal, oil, and gas for energy, transportation, and industry. Deforestation also contributes because trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When the forests are destroyed, this stored carbon is released back into the air. According to the World Wildlife Fund, human activities have accelerated environmental damage in the past century.
Effects of climate change on biodiversity. Climate change directly affects biodiversity by altering habitats and ecosystems. Rising temperature, changing rainfall pattern, and extreme weather events make it difficult for many species to survive. Coral reefs, for example, are highly sensitive to temperature changes. The National Geographic Society reports that warmer oceans causes coral bleaching, which threatens marine biodiversity and the livelihoods of people who depend on fisheries.
Everyone, I am Julian J. M. Andaya. My topic is biodiversity loss and its impact humans. The loss of biodiversity does not only affect animals and plants, it also affects human life. Many communities depend on healthy ecosystem for food, water, and medicine. When biodiversity declines, ecosystem become weaker and less able to recover from disaster. According to the United Nations, biodiversity loss can lead to food insecurity, economic challenges, and increased vulnerability to natural disasters.
Ecosystems. Global efforts to address the problem, government and organizations around the world are working together to address climate change and biodiversity loss. International arguments aim to reduce greenhouse gas emission and limit global temperature rise. In addition, conservation programs focus on protecting forests, wildlife habitats, and endangered species to preserve biodiversity to future generations.
What individuals can do, while governments plays a large role. Individuals can also make a difference. Simple actions such as reducing waste, conserving energy, planting trees, and supporting sustainable products can help reduce environmental impact. Educating others about environmental protection is also important in creating awareness and encouraging collective action.
In conclusion, climate change and biodiversity loss is closely connected and pose serious threat to our planet. Protecting biodiversity or reducing climate change requires cooperation among governments, organizations, and individuals. By taking responsible action today, we can help to ensure a healthier and more sustainable environment for our future generation.